New Jersey has one of the highest costs of living in the country, and that cost keeps going up. Even in normal times, it can be hard to keep up with your expenses. And when millions are out of work, it's no surprise that so many people are drowning in debt. Fortunately, the law provides a way to clear debts and get a fresh start: bankruptcy. If you're thinking of declaring bankruptcy, you should talk to an attorney to go over your options and determine the best way forward is for you. What is bankruptcy? Bankruptcy is a legal procedure designed to give individuals, married couples, and businesses a fresh start by allowing them to discharge their debts. The law recognizes 6 types of bankruptcy, called chapters, but Chapters 7 and 13 are the ones used most commonly by individuals and couples, while Chapter 11 is the one most commonly used by businesses. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, most of your assets are handed over to a court-appointed trustee, who then sells them and divides the proceeds among the person's creditors. After that, the debts are wiped out. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows a person to put together a repayment plan. Under that chapter, the person pays any income earned above what's needed to support the person and their family towards their creditors for 3 to 5 years, and then the debts are discharged. This option lets the person keep their property. Chapter 11 is similar to Chapter 13, but it's normally used by businesses instead of individuals or couples. What are the pros and cons of bankruptcy? Bankruptcy can be a good option if your debts are more than you can pay, but it does have its downsides. Not everyone can file for bankruptcy. For example, if you have enough money to pay your debts, you won't qualify. If you filed in the last 7 years, you also won't qualify. And even if a person does file, bankruptcy can have a negative impact on their credit score. In some cases, they may be better off negotiating their debts with creditors instead. Finally, some debts like student loans and luxury purchases can't be discharged in bankruptcy at all. What should I do if I have more debt than I can handle? If you have more debt than you can handle, contact Rosenblum Law for a free consultation. Our experienced attorneys can advise you on whether you should file for bankruptcy or try a different strategy, and figure out how and when to file for bankruptcy if necessary. The bankruptcy code is complicated, so having a good attorney to advise you is critical to keeping as much of your income and assets as possible.